Let's build a private team wiki that employees can actually trust. Start with a dedicated assistant named Internal Team Wiki. Don't reuse the chatbot on your public website because wiki access settings can change how that assistant works elsewhere. Choose a fast general model, keep the temperature moderate, and write a role that answers from approved sources. Admits when information is missing, and names the right fallback. Give the pilot one owner, one department, and one narrow knowledge scope. Open data sources and add only material this audience is allowed to read. Give every source an owner, review date, descriptive name, and category. Remove old copies before indexing and wait for the green completed status. Our fictional source contains one unique sentence. The internal escalation code for urgent service incident is Nordstern 42. That fact is safe for a tutorial and specific enough to prove the wiki retrieved the intended document. Still inside the dedicated assistant, open integrations and choose AI Team Wiki. Confirm the assistant name at the top before selecting Create Team Wiki so the private site never received the wrong source set. Notice the yellow warning, live chat and human takeover aren't available here. Decide where employees go when an answer is missing or urgent, such as an IT service desk or HR mailbox, and include that route in your welcome message. Enter a recognizable title, then choose a neutral subdomain that doesn't reveal a confidential project name. Wait for the green availability check. Remember, the address itself is visible, metadata, even when the content is protected. Public means anyone with the link can enter. Password uses one shared secret. Login required uses individual owner or invited member accounts, which are easier to revoke and audit. When departments need different source permissions, create separate assistants instead of one oversized wiki. Select password only with a strong, unique secret and an owner for rotation. The yellow warning matters. Password protection makes this a dedicated wiki assistant and its normal website widget no longer works. If this assistant currently serves a public site, stop and create a separate one. Never place the password in the welcome text, source documents, screenshots, or narration. Share it only through an approved password management channel. Add an approved logo and a readable theme color if they help employees recognize the service. More importantly, write a short welcome message that names the covered topics, source review date, fallback path, and a reminder not to upload secrets. Keep file upload off unless retention, access, and deletion are documented. Activate Wiki immediately publishes the subdomain as soon as you create it. So turn that off when security or content review is still pending. Read the full form once, then select Create Only once. Open the generated subdomain in a new private browser session with no dashboard cookies. Password mode must show wiki access before any internal content appears. Login required should send the visitor to the member login flow instead. Try one wrong credential first, then the correct test password, and test the direct URL again after logout. A hidden dashboard link isn't access control. Record only pass or fail evidence and never expose the secret in the capture. Ask the exact verification question. What is the internal escalation code? The expected fact is Nordstern 42. In the verified run, the real Team Wiki returned that code in the complete escalation sentence from our approved source. Next, ask about a policy that doesn't exist in the sources, such as the 2028 travel expense limit. The safe result is a clear no information response and the fallback path, not an invented amount. Repeat both tests with natural variants after every source, role, or model change. Back in AI Team Wiki, confirm the tested subdomain, creation date, and active status. Use open for routine checks and edit for planned access or branding changes. Record one service owner and the next review date. Use disable first if the wrong audience can enter, a sensitive source was indexed, or answers become unsafe. It's reversible and limits exposure while you investigate. Delete only for planned permanent retirement. Keep reviewing failed questions, stale sources, duplicate versions, passwords, and your fixed known and unknown test set.